This lock has been working great until it really started to warm up and the humidity has started to rise. You can see at this point it's not actually pushing the deadbolt all the way in, it's just skipping. So it means that the wood is really swelling too much and it's not able to go in the whole way. Up until this month, this lock has been working just fabulously. So first we need to open up a little bit of space here by removing the faceplate. We can carve away the wood and maybe some of the metal, depending on what we need. With the metal plate removed, we'll try it, and this will narrow it down if it's the metal plate or if the wood. Yep, that's the wood. Because at this point it would normally be going in, but after I move the metal plate, it still is there. So that means the wood is swelled, contracted, changed shape a little bit. You can see whenever I put the faceplate in place, right down here at the bottom is where it's overlapping, and that's where we need to take away material. Now with the Dremel tool, I've got sandpaper on the end of it, and we'll grind this to the shape that we need. So that's looking a lot better. That grinding does a really good job, that sandpaper attachment. Now we'll go ahead and give it a try. Still too tight. And now we'll try it. There we go, that's how I remember it working. That's a lot better. Now we can reinstall the metal plate. And now you can see it matches the shape of the faceplate a lot better. Now let's go ahead and close it. And that is a lot better.